Here I have Fairphone for 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open upper bar here, and here you can find hotspot. Like if you can't find it here, then we go to settings, network and internet, and here you can find hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can enable it, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password, here you can change its AP band, here you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. And after you enabled it once, this button will appear here at the upper bar, and now you can switch hotspot just from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.